Nagkausap tayo during the orientation, lagi ko sinasabi, we are not here to deceive you. We are not here to distract you. And we are here to support you all the way. Hindi lahat na nakikita natin sa online ay pwede tayong budulin. Naniniwala ho ako na lagi ko sinasabi, can you imagine this? You are graduates from your different baccalaureate degrees, but you are now a let passer. 3 to 5 years program, but it means a lot. Ang hirap po kasi nang galing ka sa Bachelor of Business Administration, then here you are, mag-aaral ng 3 hanggang 4 at 5 buwan, tapos magiging guro. Okay? So, ano ang difference? Ang difference po kasi ay yung desire natin. Sabi mo nga, sir, gusto ko kasing maging teacher. Alright? Lagi ko sinasabi, maybe this is not just a profession. This is a calling. This is a vocation. At ilalaban ko yan hanggang dulo.